and information are everywhere. Social media, TV, blogs, and news platforms. But not all of it is reliable. That's why media information literacy, or MIL, is essential. It teaches us how to find, evaluate, and use information responsibly.
One major challenge we face is information overload. There's too much data coming at us, making it hard to tell what's important or true.
Then, there's the spread of misinformation and fake news. False information spreads faster than facts, making it harder to trust what we see online.
Another problem is the digital divide. Not everyone has access to the internet or the skills to use it effectively. This limits people from being fully informed.
We can fight these challenges by practicing critical thinking, questioning the sources of information, and checking facts before sharing.
Each of us must be a responsible digital citizen. That means sharing only reliable content and reporting harmful or false information when we see it.
Together, we can tackle the challenges of media information literacy. Remember, empower yourself, evaluate information, and engage responsibly. The future depends on how we handle information today.